Welcome back to my channel for another quick and easy recipe. For today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a pumpkin moussaka. You heard that right. I may be the first person to ever try to attempt this, but I found in the recent recipes, I've been really enjoying making pumpkin savory dishes versus the sweet ones. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here's my pumpkin. I already started peeling it. You're gonna need this little pumpkin and you're just gonna take the skin off just as so. Next, the zucchini. You're just gonna wanna cut this in big, long strips. Just as so. And last but not least, your potato. Slice it as well. So now that we have all of our veggies chopped, this is gonna come together fast, so pay close attention. Add some oil to your skillets. If you didn't want to pan fry these, you could deep fry them, or you could even brush them with olive oil and roast them in the oven. That'll take around 45 to 50 minutes. To your next pan, you're gonna add some ground beef, onion, and a baby. So we got the vegetables frying up, and our ground beef is frying. Now it's time to work on the top part of the moussaka, which is the bechamel sauce. This is just consisting of some milk. This is 2 cups. I have a cup of Parmesan cheese and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Turn the heat on. Make sure that none of this is hot because then the cornstarch is going to become clumpy. Stir this until it just starts to boil. Once it heats up and it's about to boil, it's going to thicken up very nicely. And I know what some of you are thinking, that this is not a bechamel sauce. A bechamel sauce is typically made with butter and flour, cooked, and then you add the milk. But this is how my grandma used to make it, and it is so good. This is going to thicken up very fast. So turn off the heat and place this to the side. Moving back to the vegetables, give them a flip, and once you put your fork down and see that they're soft, you can go ahead and take them out. The potatoes obviously are going to take a little longer. The zucchini is really fast, and so is the pumpkin. And once your ground beef is ready, you're going to go ahead and take a jar of marinara sauce. Look at this one I found at the store today. It's called Pizza Girl, and it's so fun. Yeah, I grew up in a pizza restaurant, so I guess technically I am a pizza girl. You're going to add the marinara sauce to the ground beef. I also like this marinara sauce because it has no sugar added. Look for a marinara sauce or any kind of pasta sauce with no sugar added so it won't be too sweet. Once your meat sauce is all nice and simmery, go ahead and give it a little taste. Make sure it's good on salt. And now for the fun part, assembly time. Now I'm going to put a little bit of salt on these veggies. Just because everything should be seasoned really nicely. You don't want anything bland. Take your veggies and start placing them down on your casserole. This is a pretty small casserole. Usually when I make moussaka, it's a big 13 by 9 inch pan. But I just didn't feel like frying up too many veggies today. And here I have my meat sauce. I'm probably not going to use all of it. Just enough to seal in all those veggies. Now for the top bechamel sauce, I forgot the important part. You need to mix into it when it's finished a tablespoon of butter, and this is what makes the bechamel silky smooth. Then pour it over the moussaka. Ooh, oh, this is the best part when it gets crispy. Pop this into the oven. Go ahead and bake this at 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes. You want the top to become nice and golden brown. Moussaka is ready. As you can see, the sides are all bubbly and the top has a little bit of browning to it, which is exactly what you want. In my opinion, this is one of the best casseroles you will ever have in your life. This is gonna be really hot, so let's go ahead and cut it open so we can try it out. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells exactly like Yaya's house. Wow, when you put the fork down, you could just feel the tenderness of all the veggies. My first bite is the pumpkin because I forgot to mention moussaka, typically eggplant. I replaced the eggplant with the pumpkin because I thought it would go very well with the zucchini. Since they're both squash and potato, I mean fried potato is gonna go good with pretty much anything. So let's go ahead and give it a try. It's so unique. There's no other dish like this. You can't compare this. You can't say that it's like lasagna or shepherd's pie. All of them are so different in taste. This is the best. It's so good. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.